Today, we jump into some tacos. Not just any tacos, but some super easy fish tacos that only take around 15 minutes to make. These are delicious and of course macro friendly. So let's just jump right into them. Start this one with however much fish you want to prep. You can make a bunch for the whole week or just prep a few pieces for the day, and you can really use any white fish you want. Today I'm using tilapia. Coat one side of your fish with some Southwestern seasoning, a little ground cumin, salt, and some fresh lime juice. Now take those over to a stovetop pan on medium-high heat, add in a little olive oil, and place your fish in, coated side down once it heats up. Coat the other side with the same ingredients, and flip your fish over after a couple minutes. Cook that side for another couple minutes, and then take them off the heat. Grab a tortilla or taco shell, piece of your fish, and whatever else you like on your fish tacos, just like salsa, cheese, and guacamole. So before we end this, a question for you guys. What is your favorite fish to eat, and where are you from? Let me know in the comments below. With that, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to check out Labrada Nutrition and all of their great products in the description below. Subscribe if you haven't already, smack that thumbs up button, and of course, stay healthy.